Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 12th day of February 2026. And we just got done with the live trading room. And this is a trade taken in the room today. So here is how it all went down. We have this beautiful indicator, which is a strong candle indicator, this little red triangle pointing down saying, go ahead and trade this market short off the body or outside the range of that particular candle. So that's what we're going to do. So in order to figure out what targets we're going to go for, we look over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 25 and 30 ticks in length, which is a pretty decent size candles for ES. We are trading ES today, not NQ. So we have 4 tick horizontals instead of the usual 10 tick, which we have on NQ. And each tick is worth $12.50. So there we go. So here we're going to go with our edit the ATM. We're looking for about a 25% of PVI first target just to de-risk the trade. So we're going to go with 6s, 12s, and 24s. After we hit 6s, we're going to bring the stop down and de-risk the trade, and then see if we can catch our 12s and 20 tick runners. So here it is how it all went down in the room today. We'll start it off at market speed, the regular speed. There we go. Nice move up. Now, as soon as it picks us up, we will, first thing we're going to do is move our stop to where it belongs. All right, now that is going to be way up here, and it's only going to hold that much risk temporarily until we can get our first target taken out. As soon as that happens, we're going to de-risk the trade. Let's watch how it goes. I can speed it up a little. There we go. Now, as soon as it hits 7s, it'll come down. Now, if the market comes up and takes us out, this will be a break-even trade. And we do that so that if the market just turns around and runs the other way unexpectedly, we we won't get caught in the crossfire. All right. And also gives us a chance to put another order on. So that's exactly what happened there. It took us out at break even on the first trade. Now we're going to get picked up again, put our stop where it belongs. And we're going to go for a first target again. Once it hits that first target, we're going to de-risk the trade again like that. And now we'll speed it up, and I think we just plow on down. So 6s and 12s are out. We're going to try for a 24 tick. Now that was out too. That trade took less than 2.5 minutes to complete and was worth 625 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 625 US dollars in about 2.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless, and we'll see you next time.